Hello, this is Matt with Modern School Bus. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to insert rows and columns in Excel. So this is something that is very basic, however, it is something you still need to know how to do correctly. I have seen a lot of people that when inserting rows or columns, they will insert one by one, and so if they have multiple to insert, it will end up taking way longer than it needs to. So you can actually insert multiple rows or columns in Excel very easily, and I'm going to be covering all of that in this video. In this video, we are looking at how to insert and delete rows and columns. So there are a few ways that you can insert that we are going to look at. The first way is just by right-clicking. So what you want to do is, if I want to insert a row here, what I'm going to do is select this on the left-hand side, and you can see this entire row is highlighted. And then what I'm going to do is right-click with my mouse, and you will see an option for insert right here. And so that will insert one row. Now what you can also do if you want to insert multiple rows is you can highlight multiple. So if I want to insert 3 rows from here to here, I'm going to highlight all of these by clicking and holding on my mouse as I drag down, and now I have 3 rows highlighted. So when I right click and select insert, this will insert 3 rows. Now you can also do this with columns, and it works the same way. If you want to insert one column, so if I want to insert one here, I'm going to click this column in the top, right click, insert, and that is one column, or you can do multiple columns. So that is inserting using your mouse with right clicking. There is also a keyboard shortcut, and the keyboard shortcut is Control, Shift, and plus. So if I'm going to insert rows from here to here, on your keyboard, Control, Shift, and the plus symbol is the keyboard shortcut for inserting. And those are the 2 easiest ways to insert, is either right clicking and inserting or using the keyboard shortcut of Control, Shift, and the plus symbol. There are other ways to insert, but they are not as efficient as these 2 methods, so I'm not really going to get into them. Now if you want to delete rows or columns, you can do that by just highlighting the rows or columns, right clicking, and then selecting delete. And so if I have maybe these 2 rows that I want to delete, I will highlight them, right click, and delete. So that is how to insert and delete rows and columns in Excel. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm also going to place a link in the description of the video where you can subscribe to my email newsletter to get free updates and lessons sent straight to your email. Let me know if you have any questions or comments.